Honorable members, Jaya Amitabh Bachchan is the last speaker on this point. Please, ma'am.
सर, मैं जया अमिताभ बच्चन ये बोलना चाहती हूँ, मैं कलाकार हूँ, बॉडी लैंग्वेज समझती हूँ, एक्सप्रेशन समझती हूँ। और सर, मुझे माफ़ करिएगा, मगर आपका टोन जो है is not acceptable. We are colleagues, sir. You may be sitting on the chair.
Jaya ji.
And I remember when I went to school.
Jaya ji, take your seat. Jaya ji, take your seat. Take your seat. Take your seat. Take your seat. Jaya, 1 second, honorable members. Honorable members. Honorable no. बैठिए. Honorable members. बैठिए. I know how to deal with it. बैठिए. Jaya ji, you have earned a great reputation. You have earned a great reputation. You know, an actor is subject to the director. You have not seen what I see from here. Every day, I don't want to repeat. I don't want schooling. I am a person who has gone out of the way. And you say, my tone? No seat given to you. No, you don't have floor now. No, enough of it. No, enough of it. You can't have it. You may be anybody. You may be a celebrity. You have to understand the decorum. No, nothing doing, nothing. No, not at all. I will not bear it. One second. Please sit down. Please take your seat. No. Never carry an impression that only you build reputations. We come here to build reputations. We live up to reputations. Nothing doing. No. Question number 196. Sushmita Dev.
Sir, she's a member of parliament. How can you call her a celebrity, sir? She's a senior member of parliament.
And the senior member of parliament has a license. Nothing is going on record. A senior member of the parliament has a license to run down the reputation of the chair, to question the tone and tenor. Yes, I have to be in reaction mode to take care of the situation. I have highest respect, but to make it a habit, my tone, my language, my temper, I don't go by script of others. I have my own script. I am not operated by anyone else. Nothing will happen, Kharge ji. Thinking has to be from within. Nothing will happen. We have to get. No, Jaya ji, take your seat. Jaya, take your seat. Take your seat. No. It is misconduct. It's a misconduct. Okay.
Honorable Chairman, sir, the incidents which took place in the House today are unfortunate, and agreeing to most of the views expressed by the senior honorable members. Chairman, sir, when we come to the House, the first thing we do is we bend and do our namaste to the chair. The idea behind that is, it is not who sits in the chair. It is we thank the people of our respective areas for sending us here and for giving us an opportunity to look and debate the grievances, what they are going through. Especially for members like us who represent the regional parties, the happenings for the last few days have really been very painful to us, sir. You have expressed yourself in a very, very elaborate way. You have given us ample opportunities. But in spite of that, we have seen there are some deadlocks. And one suggestion which, with your kind permission, sir, is if there are more meetings in your chambers, with all the floor leaders, probably it could bring down the tension is one suggestion which I would like, sir. And very graciously, you have been doing it, sir. In spite of the best of your efforts, some of you are not able to end these deadlocks. But having said this, sir, the chair is what gives us the authority, the power to debate public issue. And when the chair gets helpless, the House gets helpless, sir, which is not good for any parliamentary democracy. As far as we are concerned, sir, we would extend the full support to the chair. We have the full confidence, sir. Thank you.